Pre-flight procedure pilot monitoring. GPWIS, verify terrain, system, glide slope mode, flat mode, push button lights are extinguished. Terrain push button will be illuminated prior to IRU alignment. Recorder ground control push button, select on, blue light illuminated. Strobe switch auto, nav and logo switches 1 or 2. Sign panel, seatbelt on, no smoking switch auto, emergency exit light switch arm, verified light extinguished. Landing elevator selector auto. Pack fault lights will be illuminated if no bleed air is available. The yellow hydraulic leak measurement valve push button off light will be illuminated during cargo door operation. For the 302 and the 900, CVR test push button, press and test and verify the recorder CVR fault alert does not appear. For the 200, 323, and 302, CVR test push button, press and test, and observe one more green light illuminates. For ramp 3, verify on, verify select VHF 3, verify data is displayed in the active window. For the flight control unit, set field elevation or initial clearance altitude in altitude window. For the integrated standby instrument system, set local altimeter setting. For the chronograph, depress the set button, ensure the correct date and times are displayed. Captain's DCDU, the DCDU should be blank. Acupressure gauge, verify the acupressure is at or above the green band with the parking brake set. Warning, prior to engine start, do not pressurize a hydraulic system without ground crew clearance. Pre-flight brake check. Refer to the alternate brake check 5.14.1. First officer's DCDU. DCDU should be blank. ECAM SD. Display the engine page and verify oil quantity indicates 16 quarts or greater. If amber X's are displayed, the engine FADEC ground power push buttons to on momentarily, then off, to ensure the FADECs are operational and to check the oil quantity. Do not use the engine start selector as it causes both pack valves to close, interrupting air conditioning and prematurely wearing out the valves. Select door oxy page and verify the crew oxygen pressure is adequate for flight, minimum 1000 psi. Note, maintenance class 2 messages on the status page are for maintenance purposes only and require no action by the crew. Select the RCL push button to recall any previously cleared messages. ATC transponder /TCAS panel. For the 200 and 300, put it to standby ATC switch 1 or 2 for the corresponding pilot. TCAS mode selector upper right should be on. TCAS traffic selector lower right all. For the 900, transponder should be standby ATC 1 or 2 for corresponding pilot. Altitude repeating on. TCAS mode selector upper right standby. Traffic selector lower right all. Flap lever should be at 0. Radar PWS panel set. Make sure weather plus T or weather plus T plus hazard is set. And that's it for the pilot monitoring or relief pilot checklist.